By this time, you guys should have access to my creators GPT. Thank you guys for your support. So today, I'll be going through how we can use thumbnail imitator expert. So imitate thumbnails in 16:9 aspect ratio. Start by attaching an image below. So basically, I went to the YouTube and then I saw a Mr. Beast video, and then I've used this YouTube thumbnail downloader and then basically attached the link there, and then it will help me to download the thumbnail. So basically what I'll do is I will click on attach here, I'll go to download, and then I'll put in the image here and wait for it to download or upload. Alright, so let's send a message to the thumbnail imitator expert. Let's see what it creates. Okay, so it will provide me some description first, designed to capture attention. Here's this detailed description, foreground, blah blah, background, text, color scheme. And then now I will create a new image that closely replicates the original thumbnail as described. Let's see what it creates. So this, what it will do is it will not create a very realistic human-like image, but you go through DALL-E 3 and then it will create. So look at that. It looks pretty insane, pretty good right here. An image right here. Obviously, it looks pretty close, but it's not very realistic, but it gets the job done. So what I did was I did prompt it to or instruct it to create an A/B test. So it will now create another thumbnail. So you can do like A/B testing, etc. So basically you'll get multiple variations, not just one. Let's see what it creates now. Right, pretty cool. The second creation variation of the thumbnail is now ready, featuring a cartoonish character and a playful take on a survival theme. For the third thumbnail, I will again retain the original meaning, but add another unique twist. Here we go. So as you can see, it's pretty cool, right? So what you can do with this is you can actually replicate so many thumbnails. You can replicate those that are high performing, like let's say lo-fi, Mr. Beast videos, and then create them. All right, so the third one is more robotic, so not a big fan of that, but I think the first two are really, really good, especially the first one. So I like it. So that's how you use the thumbnail imitator expert. If you guys are interested in knowing how I created these GPTs, the specific prompts and instructions I've used, subscribe to my newsletter where I'll go through all of them. So link below. All right, we'll see you there.